Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we have something special lined up for all you food enthusiasts out there. We're diving into the world of quick and easy weeknight dinners, perfect for those busy evenings when time is of the essence. If you're looking for delicious, hassle-free recipes that won't compromise on flavor, you're the right place. Now, let's get cooking. Number 1. Sheet pan chicken and vegetables. Sheet pan chicken and vegetables offers a perfect blend of simplicity and flavor. Preheat the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius, and opt for quick cooking boneless, skinless chicken breasts or thighs. Toss the chicken in a bowl with olive oil, salt, pepper, and preferred herbs/spices. Spread the seasoned chicken on a parchment-lined baking sheet. Chop colorful veggies, broccoli, bell peppers, carrots, and coat them in the same bowl with oil, salt, and pepper. Arrange everything on the baking sheet for a one-pan marvel. Roast for 20 to 25 minutes until the chicken hits 165 degrees Fahrenheit, 74 degrees Celsius, and veggies caramelize. Serve with quinoa, rice, or a green salad for a hassle-free wholesome dinner. Number 2. Spaghetti aglio e olio. Indulge in the quick and flavorful spaghetti aglio e olio. Boil your preferred spaghetti, heat olive oil in a pan, and saute thinly sliced garlic with a pinch of red pepper flakes until golden and aromatic. Drain the al dente pasta, toss it into the garlic-infused oil, ensuring an even coating. Garnish with freshly chopped parsley and a generous sprinkle of Parmesan. This Italian-inspired dish is a swift celebration of minimal ingredients working harmoniously together. Number 3. Stir-fried shrimp and vegetables. Stir-frying is a quick and delightful dinner solution. Peel and devein shrimp, leaving tails for presentation. Stir-fry shrimp in vegetable oil until pink, set aside. In the same pan, stir-fry a mix of bell peppers, snap peas, and carrots with garlic and ginger. Reintroduce shrimp, drizzle with soy sauce, and sprinkle sesame seeds. Serve this flavorful stir-fry over steamed rice for a satisfying meal that's both quick and full of depth. Number 4. One-pot chicken and rice. In a time crunch, turn to the lifesaver of one-pot meals with a simple and hearty one-pot chicken and rice. Season chicken thighs, brown in a pot, then add rice, chicken broth, and preferred seasonings. Bring to a boil, reduce to a simmer, and cover until rice is cooked and chicken is tender. This fuss-free method not only yields a flavorful dish but also minimizes post-cooking cleanup. Enhance it with veggies like peas, spinach, or diced tomatoes for added nutrition and color. Number 5. Taco salad. Taco salad brings the lively flavors of Mexican cuisine to your table with its quick and customizable nature. Brown ground beef or turkey in a skillet, add taco seasoning and simmer. Assemble a bed of lettuce, top with the seasoned meat, diced tomatoes, shredded cheese, salsa, and sour cream. Add tortilla strips for crunch. This speedy dinner lets everyone customize their salad to their liking. Number 6. Pesto pasta with cherry tomatoes. Pesto pasta with cherry tomatoes is a fresh and flavorful option that comes together in minutes. Boil your pasta of choice until al dente. In a separate bowl, combine store-bought or homemade pesto sauce with half cherry tomatoes. Once the pasta is cooked, drain it and toss it into the pesto tomato mixture. The heat from the pasta will slightly warm the tomatoes and enhance their sweetness. Finish the dish with a sprinkle of Parmesan cheese and chopped fresh basil. This dish showcases the simplicity of quality ingredients. Number 7. Quesadillas. Quesadillas offer a versatile and swift dinner solution. Heat a skillet, layer a tortilla with shredded cheese, cooked chicken or beef, sauteed vegetables, and more cheese. Fold and press with a spatula as the cheese melts. Flip when the bottom is golden brown, cook until crispy, and repeat. Serve with salsa, guacamole, or sour cream for a quick and satisfying Mexican-inspired meal. Number 8. Salmon with lemon and dill. Salmon with lemon and dill is an elegant yet quick option for a weeknight dinner. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius. Season salmon fillets with salt, pepper, and a generous squeeze of lemon juice. Place the fillets on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Sprinkle fresh dill over the salmon and add lemon slices for an extra burst of citrus flavor. Bake for about 12 to 15 minutes, or until the salmon flakes easily with a fork. Serve this omega-3 rich fish with steamed vegetables or a light salad for a wholesome and speedy dinner. Number 9. Vegetarian Buddha bowl. Buddha bowls are not only visually appealing but also a fantastic way to incorporate a variety of nutrients into your dinner. Start by cooking quinoa or rice according to package instructions. Meanwhile, roast or sauté sweet potato cubes until they're golden and tender. In a bowl, assemble the Buddha bowls with a base of quinoa or rice. Top with the roasted sweet potatoes, canned chickpeas, rinsed and drained, sliced avocado, and any other vegetables you have on hand. Drizzle a tahini dressing over the bowl for a creamy and flavorful finish. Number 10. Caprese Chicken. Caprese chicken is a delightful and quick dish that celebrates the classic flavors of tomato, mozzarella, and basil. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius. Place chicken breasts on a baking sheet and season them with salt and pepper. Top each chicken breast with sliced tomatoes, fresh mozzarella, and a few basil leaves. Drizzle with olive oil and balsamic glaze. Bake for about 20 to 25 minutes, or until the chicken is cooked through and the cheese is melted and bubbly. This dish is not only visually appealing, but also a symphony of fresh and vibrant flavors. These 10 quick and easy weeknight dinner ideas showcase the beauty of simplicity and the importance of using fresh quality ingredients. Feel free to modify these recipes to suit your taste preferences and dietary requirements. With these versatile options, you can whip up a delicious and satisfying dinner in no time, making weeknight cooking a breeze. If you found these recipes helpful or simply enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe and join our growing community of food enthusiasts. As always, thank you for spending this time with me in the kitchen. Until next time, happy cooking!